So
guys, what's up? Another day, another vlog. Hi. Saan tayo papunta? Yeah, another day, another vlog, another day for house viewing. At punta natin ngayon is medyo malayo sa current na bahay namin. So nasa Uber tayo ngayon. Ito yung pupuntahan natin is 3-2 or 3 bedroom yata siya with of course bathroom, may garden, at ba, medyo mas malaki siya compare sa mga previous na bahay according sa floor plan. At saka mukhang tahimik yung community, no? So mamaya na ulit at nasa biyahe kami. Mamaya na ulit guys, bye bye. Busy yung isa. Nagtitingin ulit ako. Bye. Tahimik dito. Hi.
Hello.
We're back. Dito na kami ngayon, malapit sa sa titingnan namin bahay. Lakad-lakad muna dito sa paligid. Ano ba to? Grabe. Hindi masyado malamig ngayon. Pero hindi rin medyo mainit din ng konti. Ganda yung weather. At dito banda yung titignan namin bahay. Malayo talaga siya dun sa workplace namin, around 15 minutes, 20 minutes by Uber. And of course, it will cost a bit more. And syempre wala pa kaming car. And hopefully in the future meron na, pero yung drive nga is around 15 to 20 minutes, no? Pero let's see the house kung maganda naman, kung worth it. Kasi sa pictures ay maganda siya, no? Tsaka mukhang tahimik yung paligid dito.
Dito pa, doon ba yun? Hindi ka ba?
Actually, there was another house na we were supposed to view here na same price din, that was 3 bedroom. Pero yun nga may nauna sa amin. Yung house na yun is gusto talaga namin kasi maganda siya. Ito is yung second option namin. Pero tingnan natin. Maganda rin naman ito actually. So malapit na kami sa bahay. Medyo napaaga yata tayo. Upo muna tayo. Upo muna tayo. Ayan. Ay, house hunting.
House hunting.
Part 5. This is the fifth house.
Until now, wala pang na.
Oo. Pero we're not in a hurry. Pero of course, kung magustuhan namin yung bahay, go for it na, 'di ba? Kasi baka maunahan din kami. Yan. Busy yung isa.
Check ulit.
Ganap ulit ang bahay. Pero so far, tahimik yung surrounding dito. Mukhang maganda rito. Ay, yung previous house na gusto nating i-view niya, yun dun banda.
Ayan yun nga.
Ayun
Blue yung
Oo, yung blue yung. So, nakita namin yung bahay na dapat na i-view namin ng past week. So, ito yung surrounding niya. Mukhang tahimik. At actually, I've asked my colleagues about this place, yung Netherton. Sabi nila, this is a posh village. Posh. Sabi, pag sinabing posh is maganda or high-end, ganun. No?
Posh Shalin.
Shalin. Shalin. So, as of now, tahimik ang surrounding at tahimik ang neighborhood actually. Tsaka maganda naman siya. Pwede mag-jogging dito yata. Pwede mag-jogging dito during summer. May schools din na malapit. At saka may rin. May clinics, may grocery. Tsaka may schools din. Ayan na ulit. Hintayin namin mag-time at mag-review kami. If ever na i-allow kami mag-video, of course we will. But of course, if not, we'll check through Google again and we're gonna show you the house. Sige, mamaya na ulit. Sana maganda yung house. At syempre, excited na rin kami na magkaroon ng own property, own na bahay, although of course
Although it's
mortgage,
like 30 years to pay.
30 years pa to pay. Pero at least we're not renting anymore because as of now we're still renting, which is costing us around 500 pounds per month. So why not just get a mortgage? Kung kaya naman, we're just gonna add a bit more money. At least we have the house now on our own. And then if in the future, if we wanted to sell, then we can sell, diba? So yun lang. Iba pa rin kasi pag sarili mo na yung bahay, diba? I mean, di sa'yo kasi hulugan mo pa, pero at least you can call it as your own home na, no?
So, tama.
Unlike sa pagrarenta, of course, ibang usapan yung renting. And we've been renting for the last almost 3.5 years na, no?
Oh.
So, yun, sige. Mamaya na ulit, tignan natin yung house later on. Tahimik dito. This is the master's. It's actually spacious, no? Overlooking through the and here we have the toilet. This is the king size, no? And another small room for storing. No storage. Hello guys, what's up? Kita niyo yung smile sa mukha namin. I think we found our home.
Yeah.
I think we found it.
Yeah.
So, nag-view kami ng house and then actually they allowed us to take a video, pero she allowed us, pero we had a lot of chats with the owner Tsaka she knows some of our colleagues. And she's been living there for 14-15 years, sabi niya. And she really liked the house. The community is nice. And I can say naman na community is nice and very peaceful dito. No? Ay, so, we're gonna call the agent now.
Yeah.
Nakalipat na bukas. You like it? And then yung feeling na wow,
Nice and cozy.
Wow,
Nice
feeling, homey feeling.
Hopefully she will give it to us. Maybe, I don't know if there's a lot of people who inquire. But
yeah, but hopefully we're gonna take the key from her, and we're gonna take care of her house for sure. Yeah.
It's nice.
It's nice.
And it's well maintained.
Well maintained. Yung price niya within our budget, yung price niya. At saka ano pa ba? Maganda yung setup basically ng house. Tsaka yung community rito, tahimik. So although malayo siya sa workplace, di naman kami lagi nasa work, kaya okay lang. Pero okay din yung pag-uwi mo sa bahay from work na sobrang homey, sobrang relaxing ng bahay. Magaan yung pakiramdam mo na uuwi ka ganun sa bahay mo. Yun yung nararamdaman ko Ikaw ba?
Yeah.
Same. Yeah.
So, nagkasundo kami.
It's a deal.
It's a deal.
Even yung owner right now, mabait siya.
Mabait siya. Kung hindi lang pala siya, di ba, kailangan ng kanyang mga
anak. The reason why she's leaving kasi kailangan siya ng mga anak niya. So, that's it. Mamaya na ulit guys. Pakita ko muna yung neighborhood kasi against the light tayo. Ganda rito. Tahimik, no? Maganda mag-jogging dito pagka summer. Ganda. What's up guys? Kami nagbabalik back at home. So, tapos ng viewing dito sa aming na-view na bahay. Actually, we like it. We like it. Even the previous owner, we like her. So, hindi na namin na-video yung buong house, pero ito. Yan. Yan. Yan siya. Yan. Yan ang house. 2 bedroom siya. Very homey. Maganda siya actually. Very relaxing. Tapos yung sun facing the house itself. So, wala rin siyang mga molds na napansin namin. At yung kitchen, yan, maganda. Renovated. Bedroom. 2 bedrooms. Itong room na to is parang storage area niya. Yan. Ito yung tawag dito. Utility. Bathroom na malaki. Maganda siya actually. The best house na so, we like it. We like the community. Safe. And yeah, the price is right for us as well. Although it's 2 bedroom, it's okay for us. Medyo malayo sa bahay pero okay lang. Pero yan, sige, tignan natin. We like it. Ano pang masasabi ko? Walang hi.
Hello.
Busy ang aking misis sa pagluluto. Hi, say hi.
Hello.
Padimure. So yun nga, malamang sa malamang, baka ito na yung bahay na gusto namin actually. Kasi iba yung pakiramdam namin eh. Pero nag-search pa kami ng ibang bahay. Baka ma-view pa kami. Pero number 1 choice na ngayon is this one, no? Number 1 choice. So let's see. Follow lang kayo at click like and subscribe sa aking YouTube channel and follow us in our journey to find our
Journey to be a house owner.
Yeah, journey to be a house owner here in UK, and the search for 2025 UK home begins. Okay guys, later again.